You eat outside in other restaurants, of course we cannot guarantee that. But then you can recite the 5 holy names to purify the food and eat with God. Then that also minimizes a lot of infection for you. That's why every one of us should recite these 5 holy names at all times, except during the time of listening to the sound. We should recite the 5 names all the time. And whenever we can, remember our wisdom center. It is inside the head, but it's not inside the head. Yeah. Since we have the head, we should know this is about inside the head. And when we close our eyes and look like we're looking forward, in a very small point right in the middle of our forehead. But at that time, actually, we're looking inward, looking for our wisdom center. From there, we derive a lot of intelligence, happiness, so we can take care of our life better. Whatever you eat will affect your meditation practice and your mood, your temperament, your personality, your character, your value of life. Everything hangs on that also. As long as we are in the material world, every material thing affects us. That's why we must take care to eat the pure food. The food that has less karmic burden, that has less suffering for our sake. Because the animals suffer a lot. They know how to fear death and they cling to life. And if they're forced to die prematurely for us, of course their fear, their hatred are retained in the flesh that we eat. And that's why we become also aggressive, agitated, and uncontented, and sometimes violent, like the feelings of the animals before they die. But the plants, they also have feelings, not really feelings, just reaction, but they don't have that much. Their lifespan also is not as long as the animals. And the fear in the plant is not so intensive. Besides, they can grow again. You cut one branch of the tree and it grows another 2-3 branches sometimes.